Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja, and I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So, students, we are going to study subject English. So, students, before learning subject English, let us see a short recap of what you have studied in your senior KG class. So, students, in your senior KG class, you all have studied the alphabets, that is, your capital alphabet in your subject English. Yes or no, students? Yes. Then you have studied the capital and small alphabets. Yes. And then you have studied the 2-letter words, 3-letter words. And now in the standard first, we are going to study the subject English in more detail. Okay, students? So let us begin with our subject English. So students, are you all ready for learning your subject English? Students, you all need to purchase your English Bal Bharati textbook from outside, which is available in the shops outside. So you all need to purchase this textbook. So students, you all can just see the picture of a textbook of your English Bal Bharati Standard 1. So this textbook you all need to purchase from outside. We are going to study the first unit, the first poem from our English Bal Bharati textbook. Okay, students? So let us begin with our poem. Students, before starting the poem, let us see a look to the index page of our textbook. So students, you can see your Bal Bharati textbook index page. This index page, you can see there are total 8 units. So our portion is divided into 8 units. So in each exam, there will be 2 units, that is unit 1 and unit 2. In the first exam, in the first test, you are going to have unit 1 and unit 2. So today we are going to start with our unit 1, the first poem, that is poem number 1, a happy song. So students, those who are having the textbook, just open your page number 1, poem number 1, a happy song. Our poem's name is poem number 1, a happy song. So students, what do you understand by the word happy? Happy means cheerful. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let me give you a short example of the word happy. When your mother gives you a surprise on your birthday, how do you feel? You feel very happy. Yes or no? Yes. When you get a good marks in the exam, in the test, how do you feel? You feel very happy. So, this is a happy song. So, in this poem, we are going to learn many actions. So, you are going to enjoy this poem, a happy song. So, students, just open the page number 1 and do watch the video till the end. Unit 1, poem number 1, a happy song. Happy. This song name is Happy Song. Happy means cheerful. Okay students, so this happy song, you can see there are many actions in this song. We are going to learn some actions which you are going to enjoy and you will feel very happy. So let us begin. Question number 1. Listen, sing and act. Listen. Now I am going to repeat the words. I am going to read this poem. So you are going to listen. Sing. You are going to sing the poem along with me. And act. Act means you can see some actions. So you are going to do the same actions while singing this poem. Okay students. So let us see the first action. So students, now let us learn some actions. It is action time. A happy song. First action, clap. Okay. So clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands together. So the first stanza is clap. The first action is clap. So students, you all know the action clap? Yes. How do you clap? With your hands. Here you can see the picture of a girl clapping. So which action she is doing? She is clapping. And you can see the picture of a boy also clapping. तो बच्चों पहला एक्शन है क्लैप. क्लैप यानी तालियां बजाना. आपके दोनों हाथों से क्लैप करना. क्लैप का मतलब है ताली बजाना. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. So in this line it is said clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. You have to clap your hands. You have to do the action of clapping. Clap your hands together. Together means all students will do this action together. Okay? Together means now in this online lecture you are at your home. In the school you all students will sit together in a class, so all will do this action together. Okay? So this action is clap. The first action. You can see the picture of a boy clapping. The next is tap. The next action is tap. T-A-P, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap your feet together. So students, what is tap? Tap means you can see the second picture of a girl in a blue color dress who is tapping her feet. Tapping means touching your feet, touching your leg, your feet to the ground. Okay? So students, you can see in this picture a girl tapping her feet. You can see the leg, the girl is tapping, means touching the ground. Tap. Tap means touching the feet to the ground. बच्चों, आपका सेकेंड एक्शन है टैप योर फीट. आपका जो फीट है वो आपको टैप करना है ग्राउंड पे. ओके? Tap your feet. So in the second action, tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap your feet together. In the second action, it is said that tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. You have to tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Means all of the students do this action together. Okay, the third action is walk. Walk, 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 walk around, walk around together. So students, you can see the third action of a boy walking around. बच्चों, थर्ड एक्शन है वॉक. वॉक यानी चलना. ओके, तो आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हो बॉय क्या कर रहा है, चल रहा है. वॉक अराउंड. सो in this third stanza it is said walk, 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 walk around. It means you have to walk around in the place where you are standing. You have to just walk around together. You have to do this action together. The last one is jump. The last action is jump. You can see the last picture, a girl jumping. So the last action is jump. Jump, 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 jump around. Jump around together. So you can see the picture of the action jump. A boy in the picture is jumping, and the girl also you can see which action they are doing. They are jumping. बच्चों, ये फोर्थ एक्शन है जंप. जंप यानी कूदना. ओके, तो आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में जंप यानी कूदना. सभी बच्चों को जंप करना बहुत पसंद है. यस और नो? ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स लव टू जंप. जंप. So the last stanza is jump, 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 jump around. Jump around together. You have to jump around together. Okay, so here we have completed the poem A Happy Song. So students, can you all tell me how many actions we have learnt from this poem? We have learnt 4 actions. So you are going to read this poem and do the actions at your home. The first action was clap. Second action was tap. The third action was walk. And the fourth action was jump. So students, repeat the poem with the actions along with me. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Second action, tap. Tap, 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 tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Third action, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around. Walk around together. The last action, jump. Jump, 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 jump around. Jump around together. Now the question number 2 is sing the song again, changing the action. Now this will be a short homework for y'all, where you are going to sing the song with the example given to y'all. The example is sing a song. So how you are going to sing? In the same tune. Sing, 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 sing a song. Sing a song together. Like this you are going to do and all the actions of this song. Okay, with the examples. Second one is wave. Wave your hands. Wave, 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 wave your hands. Wave your hands together. The third one is the example. The third example is touch your toes. Touch, touch, touch. Touch your toes. Touch your toes together. And the fourth one is turn around. Turn, turn, turn. Turn around. Turn around together. So you are going to do this actions at your home. Okay students, the question number 2 is given for y'all. You'll have to sing the song with the example given below. Now let us see the question number 3. Look and say. Here are some new words from the poem A Happy Song. Okay, so these words are the new words which you are going to read. Let us see and read the words. New words from the poem A Happy Song. Question number 3. Look and say. So students, the first word is clap. C-L-A-P, clap. The first word is clap. Second word, hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. The third word is tap. T-A-P, tap. The fourth word, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. The fifth word is walk. W-A-L-K, walk. The sixth word is your. Y-O-U-R, your. The seventh word is jump. J-U-M-P, jump. The next word is together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. And the last word, the ninth word is around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. So these are the 9 words which we learnt from the poem A Happy Song. So students, in your homework, you are going to read this poem A Happy Song by doing the actions. Also, you are going to do the actions of question number 2 example and sing the song, and you are going to read and learn these 9 new words from the poem from your English Balbharti textbook. Till then students, stay connected, be safe, stay home and stay connected for the next English online lecture. Thank you.